Are you tired of trying side hustle after side hustle, but still can't seem to make any of them work? Well, today I'm gonna change all of that because by the end of this video, I'm gonna show you step by step the exact strategy that you can follow to make money online this month. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how you can make money on Temu. So first of all, we have here in Google Play Temu buy as a millionaire. So we have here over than 100 million dollars, and we have here if you want to install it, you click over here, and also you can use browser and you dive into temu.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So if you want to sign up, all you have to do is click over orders and account, and you write your email address and your password, then you get started with it. If you want to sign in and find your account, all you have to do is just write your password and you start with Temu. So Temu is a great platform for you. By leveraging its user-friendly features, you can resell products, participate in affiliate marketing, or even start your own store. With a wide range of items and competitive prices, you can find opportunities that suit your interests and skills. Join Temu today and start turning your passion into profits. So you can also make money on Temu. So by what? You can just resell products, participating in affiliate marketing, or starting your own store. Simply find trending items at low prices, list them for sale, and promote them through social media or your network. Additionally, by joining the affiliate program, you can earn commissions for every sale made through your referral links. With a little creativity and effort, you can turn Temu into a profitable ventures. So you can just tell people once you start with Temu by clicking on the link and you get $100 and you buy whatever you want. So if you want to become an affiliate program, all I have to do is click over here, affiliate and influencer earn commission. Once you do that, you will find this page. As you can see, we have here first information. So you have here earn commission with Temu affiliate and influencer, earn substantial commission with our diverse products and exclusive offers. Join now to optimize your traffic and unlock significant earnings. So you click over get started, and we have here also other information like high commissions, exclusive sale price, and trusted brand. Then we have here empowering affiliates tailored benefits for every profile. We have here authorized influencers, and we have here websites. About the first one, we have as a user authorized through our platform enjoy a range of benefits, including we have 20% commission, generous commission rates on orders, and we have abundant credits, access a wealth of credits for additional perks. Then we have here user tailored bonuses, receive rewards for every user download. You click over join now to start. And about websites, here we have as a registered website affiliates enjoy a range of benefits tailored for your platform, high commission rates, benefits from generous commission rates on orders, and we have tailored benefits adjustable commissions that match your performance. If we scroll down, we have also here over than 300,000 people have joined us, and we have also here $100 of coupon bundle. So this is important thing that you have to know. So we have here new app users can indulge in a premium experience with clicking your link, receiving an exclusive $100 coupon bundle after their initial download. Then we have here free gifts. New app users maximize your full potential. Your referred app users not only get to experience the app's fantastic features, but also stand a chance to receive a complimentary gift from Temu. Then we have the last information here, how to start with the Temu affiliate program. So the first step, we have join enlist in our driven community of content creators, publishers, and bloggers profiting from the Temu affiliate program. We have here also the second step, it's share. Strategically share your link code to invite and engage your audience with a diverse range of high-quality products. Then we have here earn, achieve 20% commissions on qualifying purchases and programs, leveraging competitive conversions rates for maximum earnings. So this is how it works on Temu here, and right now I will give you some steps that you have to follow it to earn commission, or let's say share your link and advise and convince people to click on your link. So we have the first website or the first application, which is TikTok. So to earn money on Temu TikTok, start by creating a catchy videos that showcase popular products, highlight special deals, unboxing, or unique ways to use items. Include your affiliate link in your profile or video captions for easy access. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging them to check out the products. Use trending sounds and hashtags to boost visibility. As viewers click on your links and make purchases, you will earn commissions on those sales. Then we have other one which is Pinterest. To earn commission on Temu Draw Pinterest, create visually appealing pins that highlight popular Temu products. Use engaging images and descriptions to attract attention and include your affiliate link in the pin details. Focus on niche topics that resonate with your audience, such as home decor or fashion. Regularly update your posts with new products and trends to keep followers engaged. As users click on your link and make purchases, you will earn commissions on those sales. Then we have here Reddit. So to earn money on Temu, draw Reddit, join relevant subreddits where you can share product recommendations, create helpful posts that highlight popular Temu items and include your affiliate link, following subreddit rules, engage with the community by answering questions and providing valuable insights, use a genuine tone to build trust and encourage clicks, post regularly to maintain visibility and interest. As users make purchases, draw your link, you will earn commissions on those sales. Then we have create content on YouTube or Instagram. So about this one, to earn money on Temu Draw, Instagram, and YouTube, you have just to start by creating engaging content that showcases popular products. So first one we have Instagram. On Instagram, post a catching photos or reel featuring Temu items and include your affiliate link in your bio. But on YouTube, you have just to create unboxing videos, review or tutorials, placing your affiliate link in the video description, use relevant hashtags and keywords to boost visibility, engage with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging them to check out the product. As they click your links and make purchases, you will earn commission on those sales. So leveraging platforms like TikTok, Pinterest, Reddit, Instagram, and YouTube can effectively help you earn money draw Timo or earn commission draw Timo by creating engaging and informative content that highlights popular products and strategically sharing your fullest links. You can attract a wider audience and drive sales. Consistent engagement with your followers and staying updated on trends will further enhance your success. With dedication and creativity, you can turn your social media business into a profitable venture. I hope this video has made the process clearer and more manageable for you. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe for more business types tutorials. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below, and I will be happy to help. Have a fantastic day ahead.